Welcome students. In this video I am going to discuss factorial notation. Now notation n factorial represent the product of first n natural number, that is 1 into 2 into 3 up to so on n is denoted by n factorial. So that means n factorial is product of first n natural number. So you have 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 up to so on, the last term is n, and before n we have n minus 1. In some books it is also written like this, n factorial. Both symbols are used for factorial. Next, 1 factorial means the product of first natural number, or we can simply say the first natural number is 1. 2 factorial, 1 into 2 is 2. 3 factorial, product of first 3 natural numbers, 1 into 2 into 3, answer is 6. 4 factorial, product of first 4 natural numbers, 1 into 2 into 3 into 4, so answer will be 24. Now 5 factorial means it represents the product of first 5 natural numbers, so your answer is 120. You can also rewrite this as, look here, 1, 2, 3, 4, that means this product, it represents 4 factorial, multiply with 5, or you can also write 1 into 2 into 3 up to here, 1 into 2 into 3, that means this is your 3 factorial, multiply with 4 into 5. In journal your n factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 up to so on, the last term is n. Now before n we have n minus 1, this multiply with previous term is n minus 2, so that means you can also split n factorial as, up to here we have n minus 1 factorial multiply with n, or if I write up to here, it represent product of first n minus 2 natural numbers, so this is n minus 2 factorial into this n minus 1 into n as it is. And you also need to remember the value of 0 factorial. 0 factorial is always equal to 1. Now I am going to discuss exercise 7.2. The first question is evaluate 8 factorial. That means it represents the product of first 8 natural number. So 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6 into 7 into 8. So answer will be 4, 0, 3, 2, 0. The second part, 4 factorial minus 3 factorial. Now you can do this question in two ways. First I would like to discuss this method. 4 factorial minus 3 factorial. Now 4 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 minus sign. 3 factorial, it represents the product of first 3 natural numbers. So we have 1 into 2 into 3. So this is 24 minus 6. Answer will be 18. Right? Now from here you can also observe this is not equal to 1 factorial. Right? Your answer is 18. That is not equal to 1 factorial, which is 1. Next part, 4 factorial minus 3 factorial. Now we have discussed this can be written as 3 factorial multiplied with 4 minus this 3 factorial as it is. From these two terms you can take 3 factorial common. So that means you will have here 4 minus 1. Now 4 minus 1 is 3. Now again 3 factorial, it represents the product of first 3 natural number. 1 into 2 into 3, answer is 18. This 4 factorial we have written like 4 factorial. You have written 1 into 2 into 3 into 4. That means I have written in terms of 3 factorial. So this is 3 factorial into 4. Right? Now question number second. Is 3 factorial plus 4 factorial is equal to 7 factorial? You have to check. So first we evaluate left hand side. This is 3 factorial plus 4 factorial. Now 3 factorial is the product of first 3 natural number, 1 into 2 into 3, and 4 factorial is product of first 4 natural numbers. So 1 into 2 into 3 into 4, 6 plus 24, answer is 30. Now if I evaluate 7 factorial, as it represents the product of first 7 natural number, you multiply them, your answer will be 5040. Clearly these two sides are unequal. That means left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So we write our answer is no. Next, compute 8 factorial divided by 6 factorial into 2 factorial. Now just look here. Here you can split this 8 factorial in terms of 6 factorial. As we know, 8 factorial represent the product of first 8 natural numbers. We have a term of 6 factorial in denominator. That means we'll write our answer in terms of 6 factorial. Up to here, it is representing the product of first 6 natural numbers. So this is 6 factorial multiplied with 7 into 8. I am again repeating. This is 6 factorial multiplied with 7 into 8. So we have put the value here. Here 6 factorial is cancelled. So 7 into 8, 56 divided by, here you have 2 factorial means 1 into 2. So 56 divided by 2, answer will be 28. Question number 4. If 1 by 6 factorial plus 1 by 7 factorial is x upon 8 factorial, then find the value of x. Now, here the smallest factorial is 6. That means we'll write all these factorial in terms of 6 factorial, like we have done in the previous question. So this 1 upon 6 factorial as it is. Now you can write your 7 factorial as 6 factorial into 7. In the same way, this 8 factorial, it can be written as 6 factorial into 7 into 8. Now if I take here 1 upon 6 factorial common, right? In first term, you will have 1 plus, here you have 1 by 7. Again, on right hand side, you have 1 upon 6 factorial into this 7 into 8, answer will be 56. That means this is 6 factorial is going to be cancelled on both sides. So we have 1 plus 1 by 7. Take LCM, LCM is 7. So 7 plus 1 is 8 upon 7. Here we have x upon 56. Again, you divide it by 7, you will have 8. Now 8 into 8, answer will be 64. Next question number 5. Evaluate n factorial upon n minus r factorial when first part n is 6, r is 2. So put the value of n and r here. You will get here 6 factorial, n minus r. 6 minus 2 is 4 factorial. Now write 6 factorial in terms of 4 factorial. As 6 factorial is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5 into 6. So we have taken 4 factorial into 5 into 6 divided by 4 factorial. Here you have 30. In the same way, n9 r5. So this is 9 factorial divided by 9 minus 5 is 4 factorial. Now write 9 factorial as 4 factorial into 5 into 6 into 7 into 8 into 9. Again this 4 factorial is cancelled. So if you multiply it, your answer will be 15120.